So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Helene, and you guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can draw some hand painted snowflakes, you guys. But before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my social media accounts, show me some love, and then come back and let's get into it. Okay, so I've got the old acrylic off, I've prepped the nails and also got the old skin at the cuticle area off, and now I'm going to apply 2 coats of my super bond. And as you guys know, I don't have this available anymore, or I mean at the moment. I'm going to apply 2 coats of my super bond, and now I'm going to apply a thin layer of clear acrylic. And you guys, I will be showing you guys the application part, but not on all the nails, because I don't want this video to be too long and too dedicated on the application, but more on the snowflake. So what I also wanted to show you guys the application part, because you guys always love the application and the filing part, but I'm not showing all the nails and I'm speeding some parts up. So I'm applying a thin layer of clear acrylic on the nails, and on the index finger I'm going to mold the nail a little bit, because it's a little crooked nail. So I'm working a little bit on the index with some clear acrylic, just a little bit at this side. I'm just building some um I mean like more nail at the side of the nail, because this finger is a little bit crooked, or this nail is a little bit crooked, because when it's growing it grows a little bit crooked, so every time I have to fix it a little bit to make it more straight. So that's why I'm using some clear acrylic to do that. As you can see, I'm like just pressing it on the side when the acrylic is a little bit not too runny, but a little bit dry, so I can mold it on the side. I don't really know if you guys can see it, but I'm trying to show you guys how I'm going to do that. I'm just applying some more clear acrylic and trying to mold it a little bit on the side. As you can see, I'm just using my brush to press and dab the acrylic on the side. Okay, so I'm going to use this color acrylic from GlitterBels. It's the Butterscotch shimmer. I'm going to use it on all the nails and just applying them on the nails. If you didn't see my video on how to perfect apply acrylic as close as the cuticles as possible, I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. And also how to do long nails, I also have a video on that. I will also put the link for you guys in the description box below. So when I'm done applying the acrylic, I'm going in back with some clear acrylic to encapsulate the whole entire nail. So this is how the nails look after application, and now I'm going in with my medium grit bit. I'm going to smooth down the nails and also shape the nails a little bit. And after using this nail bit, I'm going to use my tapered bit to get into the cuticle area. I get a lot of questions, you guys, about what speed I use my nail drill. I use my speed most of the time at a medium to high speed. Only when I'm prepping the nails and using a sanding band on the natural nail, I'm not using my nail drill on a high speed, always on a low speed, because we don't want to damage the natural nail too much. And also when I'm going to use my tapered bit, I also use it to medium to high speed. Okay, so now I'm going in with my tapered bit into the cuticle area to even out that surface. So now I'm using a undernail cleaner to clean underneath the nails. So next I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape of the nails. Okay, so if you're still here watching but not subscribed yet, go ahead on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. It will take you like a couple of seconds to subscribe. It will really help my channel to grow. And thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys watching. And if you're still here watching, let me know by commenting a snowflake in the comment section below. And the word that I'm going to teach you guys today from my language, papiamento, will be sneeuw. And sneeuw is also in Dutch, but that means snow. It's the same word in Dutch and also in papiamento. So this is how the nails look after filing, buffing and cleaning. And now I'm going to use the gel top coat from Kupa Inc nails to top off all the nails. And I'm doing this first before trying the snowflake, because we want the snowflake to have a 3D effect. So I'm first going to apply the gel top coat first, and when it's completely dry, we are going to draw these snowflakes. Okay, so after curing the nails under my lamp, I'm only using a dotting tool, some white gel polish and a fine detailing brush to draw this so easy snowflake. So as you can see, I'm just applying some dots, and the middle one is bigger as the other ones. I don't really know how I'm going to explain you guys how to draw this snowflake, but you just have to draw like a you don't have to draw, you have to put some dots. And as you guys can see, I like this. I'm going to insert a photo so you can see exactly how to draw the dots. Okay, so after drawing the dots, you're going with your fine detailing brush and you are going to draw that line from the inside out. If you know what I'm saying, if you would know what I'm saying, you guys, I'm so bad at explaining things, but I'm going to leave this part in the real speed so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, because I hope you can understand what I'm doing on this part. And after drawing the snowflakes, we are not going to cure yet, but I will get at that part in a second. Okay, so to get that 3D effect, before curing the white gel polish under our lamp, I'm going in with some white acrylic powder and I'm just sprinkling or pouring it over the snowflakes and just dabbing the finger to get the excess off. And make sure the gel polish soaks the acrylic powder first, and then dab it off and then pour some white acrylic again, so you know it's properly cured, and I mean properly covered with the white acrylic powder. And after you're done, don't get your brush to get the excess powder. Cure the nails first so the white gel polish can cure first, and then we will go in with a brush to get that excess acrylic powder off. And this is how the nails look after curing the snowflakes and also after applying some cuticle oil. And you guys, let me know what you think of this nail design in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. This was the end of the video. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see in my next video. Don't forget to share this video and to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet but you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much you guys for watching and supporting my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.